How to find Swift code of PNC Bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipen Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can find the Swift code of PNC Bank or any other bank. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, to locate your Swift or BIC code, you can check any paper or digital banking statements. You can also look at your account details on your online banking profile. Now, the other way, if you can't find it that way, is you can search for your BIC code using a digital Swift BIC search tool by providing your country and bank location data. So how you can do so, you can simply head over to your browser, right, and then search in for Swift code finder or BIC code finder. Then you'll get multiple links that will help you find the Swift code. I'll just head over to the very first link here. Then what you can do is scroll down and you can select a country. Once you select the country, what you can do is you can select a bank. So search in for the bank here and you should be able to see the bank here. No, I'm not getting this. As you can see here, once you select the bank, you want to select a city. Now make sure you select the city correctly or else you won't be able to find the Swift code because you'll need the branch code as well. So if you enter in the city correctly, then only you'll be able to see the branch code, right? Or else it'll just show you the Swift code and you'll have to find the branch code by yourself. So tap on find Swift code and you can see it has given me the code for PNC Bank in the United States. You can see PNCC US3C and you can see the triple X there. That's where you'll have to enter in the branch code, which will be in triple digit, right? So you can see no branches found, it says. So you want to make sure you enter in the city correctly so that it can find out the branch as well. So this is how you can see the bank Swift code. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.